Hamilton County Health Department reports about 1/4 of the COVID-19 cases in our area are among people between the ages of 21 and 30. And they report new cases between the ages of 11 and 20 are on the rise. This as the holiday season quickly approaches. Channel 3's Angela Kim joins us now with more from the COVID-19 task force. Angela.
Well, Cindy, it's not just a holiday season, but we're also right in the middle of flu season. If you're worried about the rise of cases and celebrating the holidays with your family, the task force has some recommendations for you.
Being outside isn't a permission slip to take off your mask.
The Chattanooga-Hamilton County COVID-19 task force is warning people across Hamilton County to be careful as the number of COVID-19 cases rise across the area.
As our numbers have started to tick up a little bit, I think people are becoming aware that this is very much still within our community.
The Hamilton County Health Department reports that large gatherings are contributing to the spike. On Tuesday, the county reported its highest number of cases in a day since the pandemic began, with 260 new cases and more than 1,400 active cases countywide. The task force is advising people to be extra cautious when it comes to holiday gatherings involving your kids.
And while younger folks generally have an easier time with COVID, they can easily transmit it, especially if they're asymptomatic, to their family and to older relatives and people they love.
Bond says that if you decide to go against guidelines and be a part of a large gathering, getting tested, wearing a mask, and limiting contact is the best way to stay safe.
You should be wearing a mask. You should try to maintain distance. You should follow the same safety procedures. And that can have a positive impact. That said, we still encourage people to avoid large gatherings over the holidays.
She says this won't just help prevent COVID from spreading, but other things like the flu or a seasonal cold.
The weather's changing. We're going to be inside more. We're going to have all of the normal seasonal stuff that happens, colds and flu. So it's a time when people just tend to get sick more easily.
Bond added that when younger people get COVID, they can tend to be asymptomatic, but can still easily spread the virus. So even if your kids are feeling fine, it's better to limit your contact before the holidays and continue to practice social distancing guidelines. Reporting in the studio, Angela Kim, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.